Why is the grass green? And why are some flowers yellow? This video is going to answer just those questions. Hopefully, you've watched my other video on what is light. If not and you're curious about it, I suggest you go back and watch that one first. Otherwise, let's carry on. Now, everything we see has some colour, but the colour we see that's detected by our eyes is actually the colour that is reflected by an object. All light travels in straight lines unless it's blocked, and when that happens, it can be scattered, it can be bent, or it can be reflected. So, when the light hits an object, it absorbs some of the energy from that light. Each colour of light has its own wavelength. So for example, red is a long, lazy wavelength, and blue is a short, choppy one, green somewhere in between. When the white light from the sun hits grass, the grass absorbs all the wavelengths but reflects the green wavelength, and it's that colour which our eyes detect. Now, the reason for why green is reflected is all to do with a special pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is used by plants, such as grass, to use sunlight to help provide food for the plant. Chlorophyll uses the energy from those blue and red wavelengths in the light, but doesn't use the green part, and hence that is reflected back to us. Now for flowers, whether they be red, blue or any colour or mixture, is because flowers have a pigment as well, and it's called an anthocyanin. Like chlorophyll, they absorb certain light wavelengths and reflect others. In case you're wondering what it means, a pigment is any material which changes the colour of reflected light. And we've got pigments too. They indicate the colour of our skin, our hair, and even the colour of our eyes. Hopefully that answers your question on why grass is green and why flowers are coloured too. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please come back and join me soon for another of 5Ws and 1H. Don't forget to click subscribe below to make sure you don't miss any episodes, and feel free, as always, to leave a comment, topic suggestion or question below. Or you can email me at 5wsand1h@gmail.com. And I'll be back here again soon.